you ever been told this one was so simple to raise? There was no drama, rebellion, or trouble. It appears to be a compliment. However, psychology demonstrates that being the easy child frequently involves adaptation rather than personality. Even when it is no longer necessary, this habit of adapting can become automatic over time. It's possible that as they get older, they will always be analyzing the situation to determine how they should act. 2. They keep their feelings to themselves. They frequently suppress their feelings of rage, sadness, or frustration instead of speaking up. They convince themselves that it isn't a big deal or that other people have bigger issues. Although it may appear to be maturity, it could actually be emotional self-suppression. They may find it difficult to express their emotions as adults because they are accustomed to hiding them. They may not even be aware of how much they have been putting off. 3. They become extremely self-reliant. Early in life, easy children stop asking for help. They solve problems alone and avoid being a burden. Although extreme self-reliance can later make it difficult for them to trust others with their struggles, independence is healthy. Even in close relationships, they may be uneasy relying on anyone. They might feel unnatural or even weak when you ask for help. 4. They equate low-maintenance love with it. Children repeat actions that earn their parents' approval. If being quiet and helpful leads to praise or peace, they learn that being good keeps them loved. As adults, this may manifest as a desire to please others and a fear of disappointing others. Harmony may be more important to them than their own needs. Conflict can feel like a threat due to the possibility of losing acceptance. 5. They conceal their requirements. Over time, they may have difficulty even recognizing their own emotional requirements because they have minimized them for years. Even in relationships in which they are valued, this can cause them to feel invisible. Empathy, responsibility, and emotional control are all qualities that can be developed by being the easy child. However, the goal of healthy development is not to raise a child with no issues. It's about raising a child who is comfortable expressing themselves. If you want more psychology explained in simple, honest language, subscribe to this channel. Because once you understand these patterns, you start understanding people on a completely different level.